Guys, I will be showing you how to make a grab pack. First, you need your pajamas and two of these things. I mean four. Then you got to get the gloves and a belt, and you need to put the belt inside. Wait. Let me show you how. This is how you have to put the back of the belt to the out of your pajamas. With that nut, with the other belt to the front of the pajamas. And with the whole of the pajamas. It's really hard. It's gonna take you a few seconds. There. It got to look like this. And check and look where your hand is. This is my hand and this is his hand. And look, it's not. So that means this hand is on the left hand. I think this is left because I really don't know what is left. Put it here, get the other hand and put it here, and get the instruction, get your things, and put the hand to here, and put the thingy here. Just right over that it look like this. This you just got to do the same. Just make it another one. Just kinda hard while filming video. This is really hard. You can hear me. You can hear me. Do you hear me? Because sweating, even though I'm literally not sweating. 2 hours later, I guess. Yeah. Make sure it doesn't fall off, and then go here and go in your pants and get these and get it right here. And then put it aside the front. And you got to just do this. You got to make it look like this. Just don't do this. Then you just got to do this. And this is what it looks like. In the back, you just got to fold the belt so it can come back to its normal state. If you want to make it like stretch, you just got to pull it. And that's how to make a grab.